Welcome back to Zen Zone Health. Today, we're tackling an issue that affects nearly everyone: bad breath. We'll explore 12 proven home remedies to help you reclaim your fresh breath confidence. If you're ready to ditch the mints and say goodbye to bad breath for good, then keep watching. Let's start with the basics. Good oral hygiene is the foundation of a healthy smile. Are you brushing and flossing like you should be? It's more important than you might think. Brushing twice a day and flossing once is non-negotiable. Morning and night routines are essential for maintaining oral health. Brushing and flossing remove food particles and plaque, which are breeding grounds for bacteria. This helps prevent cavities and gum disease. Bacteria are a major culprit behind bad breath. They can also lead to more serious dental issues if not properly managed. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste and spend at least 2 minutes brushing. This ensures you cover all surfaces of your teeth. When you floss, be gentle but thorough. Curve the floss around each tooth and get below the gum line to remove hidden debris and plaque. This helps keep your gums healthy and prevents inflammation. Next up, water. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining fresh breath. When you're dehydrated, your mouth produces less saliva, which helps wash away food particles and neutralizes acids. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Keep a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it throughout the day. Now, let's talk about mouthwash. Using an antibacterial mouthwash can give you an extra boost in your fight against bad breath. Look for mouthwash with ingredients like chlorhexidine or essential oils, which have antimicrobial properties. Use mouthwash after brushing and flossing and swish it around for 30 seconds to a minute. Avoid rinsing with water right after using mouthwash to keep the active ingredients working. Let's move on to some natural remedies. Parsley and mint have been used for centuries as natural breath fresheners. Parsley is rich in chlorophyll, which has deodorizing properties, while mint contains menthol, which has a cooling effect. Chew on fresh parsley or mint leaves after meals, or add them to your water or smoothies. Some people even swear by parsley tea as a natural breath freshener. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery can help combat bad breath. They act like natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away food particles and bacteria as you chew. These crunchy treats also stimulate saliva production, essential for a healthy mouth environment. Apples in particular contain malic acid, which helps increase saliva flow and neutralize odors. Some of our favorite foods like garlic, onions, and coffee can wreak havoc on our breath. These foods contain sulfur compounds which are released when they're digested. Coffee can dry out your mouth, creating a favorable environment for bacteria. Be mindful of your breath after consuming these foods. Brush your teeth, use mouthwash, or chew on some parsley or mint to help neutralize odors. We can't always brush our teeth after every meal. That's where sugar-free gum comes in. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals stimulates saliva production, crucial for washing away food particles and neutralizing acids. Look for gum that contains xylitol, which helps reduce plaque buildup. However, some people experience digestive issues with xylitol, so start with a small amount. Don't forget about your tongue. The surface of your tongue can harbor bacteria and food debris, contributing to bad breath. Using a tongue scraper is a simple yet effective way to remove this buildup and freshen your breath. Incorporate it into your daily oral hygiene routine and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Did you know that your gut health can significantly impact your breath? It's true. Probiotics, the good bacteria residing in your gut, play a vital role not only in digestion but also in maintaining your overall health. They help balance the gut microbiome, which is essential for nutrient absorption and immune function. Yogurt is an excellent source of these probiotics, particularly beneficial strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Including yogurt in your daily diet can support your digestive health and boost your immune system. These beneficial bacteria can also help reduce the levels of bad breath-causing bacteria in your mouth, promoting fresher breath and better oral health. When selecting yogurt, look for those with live and active cultures. Incorporating it into a balanced diet can enhance your gut health, improve digestion, and contribute to overall well-being. Enjoy yogurt as a delicious and nutritious part of your daily routine. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits. including its ability to fight bad breath. Green tea contains polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria. Catechins in green tea have strong antibacterial properties, reducing bad breath and promoting oral health. Consider swapping your morning coffee for a cup of green tea for a refreshing and healthy start to your day. Baking soda is a versatile ingredient found in many households. It's not just for baking, it can also be used to freshen breath and maintain oral hygiene. Baking soda neutralizes odors by balancing the pH levels in your mouth, creating an environment that is less favorable for bacteria. To make a simple and effective baking soda mouthwash, start by measuring a teaspoon of baking soda. Add it to a cup of warm water and stir until it's completely dissolved. Swish the solution around in your mouth for 30 seconds to a minute, then spit it out into the sink. Afterward, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any residue. This simple routine can help keep your breath fresh and your mouth healthy. Coffee and alcohol can contribute to dehydration, leading to bad breath. When you consume coffee or alcohol, your body produces less saliva, essential for washing away food particles. Be mindful of your consumption and make sure you're staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water. You don't have to give up coffee or alcohol entirely, just balance it with good hydration. So there you have it, folks. 12 proven home remedies to combat bad breath. Remember, maintaining fresh breath starts with good oral hygiene and smart choices. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to Zen Zone Health for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and keep smiling.